Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve x square plus y is equals to minus 3 and x square y is minus 4 and we have to find the value of x and y. So let's start with the today's video solution. First I'm considering this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. So with the help of equation number 1 we can write x square is equals to minus 3 minus y, and we can put the value of x square minus 3 minus y in equation number 2. So we can write it as minus 3 minus y times y is equals to minus 4. We multiply minus 3y minus y square is equals to minus 4. If I'll take minus common, so 3y plus y square is equals to minus 4. We can cancel out this. So the equation becomes y square plus 3y minus 4 is equals to 0. Now it's look like a quadratic equation, so we can do middle term split. So we can write it as y square plus 4y minus y minus 4 is equals to 0. So if I'll take y as common, so y plus 4. If I'll take minus 1 as common, so y plus 4 is equals to 0. So one root is y minus 1 and the second is y plus 4 is equals to 0. So either y minus 1 is equals to 0 or y plus 4 is equals to 0. So y is equals to 1 in this case, and in this case y is equals to minus 4. Now we can put the value of y to find the value of x. So x square is equals to minus 3. First I'll take 1 minus 1. So x square is equals to minus 4. So x is equals to square root minus 4. So x is equals to 2 in this case. And when y is equals to minus 4. So x square is equals to minus 3 minus 4. So x square is equals to minus 3 plus 4. So x square is equals to 1. So x is equals to square root 1. So that is plus minus 1. These are the values of x and y. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.